Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sair and I'm back with another video. Today I want to show you guys my new beauty section setup and where I record my videos. So as some of you may know, I have recently moved and I have like a small little nook in my room for me to put my vanity and now like this little setup that I have behind me, which is nothing too crazy. In a couple of videos previously, I would just record in front of this backdrop with like everything just sitting like straight ahead in front of me, like the light, the camera, and have my mirror sitting on like a freaking those like cube storage things with drawers that are plastic. I'll just have my mirror sitting on that. And that's not cute on some regular freaking table that with the legs that like when you close it, the table fold or whatever, that type of thing. And now I have like a cute setup with like my vanity and then the backdrop and some pictures. I do want to do a whole room tour, but the room is not done yet. I have a couple more things that I want to do. And I have to see how like they roll out, like how it rolls out and how it comes together. Because I'm still thinking, the room does have a theme. This little section, like this nook that I use as my recording area and getting ready area, doesn't go with that theme. But I'm going to keep it like how it is because this is like my area, you know? So I'm probably going to put like, I'm thinking about putting like something to like shut the nook off from the rest of the bedroom. But I'm probably not going to do nothing with that because that sounds like a lot of work. I'm not going to go too in-depth about the vanity because it's the same. It's the same vanity. And I haven't really bought new makeup that... Well, I have bought new makeup, but it's nothing that like... Y'all don't know, like setting powder, all that type of stuff. I haven't gotten any new palettes besides the Huda Beauty ones that weren't in the vanity tour, but I already used all 4 palettes already that I bought afterwards, so that there's no need for me to do a whole nother vanity tour because nothing's really different. Yeah, I did get extra brushes, but it's the James Charles brush set. Go on Morphe, you'll see them. You should really get that brush set though. They come with brushes that like you never knew that you needed, you know? But I'm gonna show you guys like how I use my vanity now when I record compared to just getting ready, and then the decor, I guess you could say. But enough of me jibber jabbering because I talk a lot and I talk really fast too, so I'm gonna just shut up. Well, I can't shut up so I'm just going with the video. Okay guys, so now that you have an overlay of my little nook area, I'm just going to show you guys what it consists of and how I use it now while I'm recording. As I know, this is my vanity with all my makeup in the drawers. Still don't have a freaking vanity chair yet, but it's coming, it's coming. And then my mirror. So with the mirror, it has lights. I normally will record with a ring light, but thankfully, this is a small little nook, and because it's small, the lights from the vanity brighten this whole area pretty much. Honestly, at one point, we were using my vanity lights to light up the whole room because the way this house is set up, you have to use lamps because there's no like actual light source. So we were using my vanity. That's how bright the light is. So I just use it as my new light source. So when I film on this tripod. I got it a while back, I believe from Amazon. You can get one of these from Amazon for real cheap. And I just put my phone right here. And then I just move it around to however angle that I want it. Normally it's around here because I'm out this way and I sit like here. But yeah. So this wallpaper or backdrop is not new to you guys. I've been using it for basically a good amount of my videos now. I got this from Amazon. I don't remember how much it was. I got it from Amazon and I got it a while back because I wanted to do a photo shoot, but I never did the photo shoot. So now it's my backdrop. And then honestly, these are just canvases that I had hung up in my old room. And I just made my boyfriend put them up on the wall right now. I hate bare spaces. So this and this bother me. And all of this, but I did buy other canvases that I want to hang up. I just don't know where I want to put them. These are the ones that I bought. This is how they look. And they go really well with my color scheme of the room. I'm debating if I want to put them up here, but I also have like another section in my room that I have for clients, like a beauty area for clients for when I do makeup. So I'm thinking about putting it on that side, but I don't know. This bare area is bothering me and I have to do something about it. So besides figuring out all the other extra things that I want to do with my room, that is pretty much it. Like I said, the vanity has stayed the same. I really just want to add like decor to it really. I'm all about my room looking hella cute. That is a must. Like my room is like my sanctuary. Like I stay in my room all day long. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys know where to buy cute canvases that go with the black, white, and gold color scheme, let me know. And hints of navy blue, please and thank you. I will appreciate it. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video. Catch you next time.